Hey you guys, Joey here. So I wanted to talk a little bit about one of my hobbies and interests. I like silver, like a lot. And I'm kind of new to it, to be honest. But I also scratch my lottery tickets with it. So as you guys may or may not know, the light reflects on this stuff like crazy. So I don't know if you guys can see the lion here, but very cool. But so like for a beginner stacker, you want to start with 1 ounce coins typically. So I have 5 here, which is 5 ounces, 20 ounces of silver, and then another one of my favorites things to do, like I like to put them in these little capsules to help keep them airtight so that the air does not damage them. I bought these on APMEX. This is not a sponsored video, just so you guys know. But I was able to buy the coins and the cases for them, and they're super cheap for the plastic cases. We're talking like, so very affordable. And like what I like about APMEX is it shows you the portfolio of all your purchases you've ever made. So I have 5 ounces here, and then I have another 5 ounce bar right here of 9 fine mint. Um, this is actually kind of cool. Like, if you don't know, that silver is like kind of heavy. So when you start stacking it, because say I personally do it honestly for a hobby. I'm not really looking to get rich off of doing this, but I guess if you stacked enough of it, you potentially could if the price of silver went up high enough. Um, but things to note as a beginner investor in silver, you want to make sure that you buy stuff that other people would buy back from you later on. One of the nice things that I liked about APMEX is that you can actually sell your silver back to them. So, which, it's a bonus, but they also have, when you log in and create an account, like a portfolio tracker, and it shows you what your actual cost on the silver is, what it's worth today. So it shows you the growth, and it makes it really easy for tax purposes for when it's time to do taxes and it's necessary. So kudos to them on doing that, and I really appreciate that feature that they provided. So one of the things that they do very well is take care of their customers. So this again is not a sponsored video. I've only actually made 2 purchases ever from them, and the first one was this 9 fine mint bar, 5 ounces, and also a 1 ounce coin that I gave to my stepson to get him kind of interested in it as well. And then I recently bought these 5 coins, which I'm actually going to be giving away at my wedding to my groomsmen. So I bought some more for me that I'm going to keep for my own personal collection. So I'll have to call APMEX and try to figure out how to adjust that in my portfolio. And then figure out what I need to do for reporting purposes, if it's even enough, but we'll ask my accountant on that. But this is something I do as a hobby, so I know that we mostly scratch off lottery tickets on this channel, but sometimes I'll take the winnings and I invest in weird things like silver, not necessarily weird, but stock, dividend-paying stocks, stuff like that. But my favorite lately is silver. I can't quite afford gold yet, but I thought about maybe ordering like 1 gram until I had enough to buy an ounce and maybe just sell it back to APMEX and get an ounce. But it's really fun to hold on to and have. And it's also really cool to show people. Let me see if I can show you guys the lady on the back, which I kind of can. Let me see if I can block some of the light here somehow. I don't know. These things just absorb all of the light, so they're so shiny. We'll have to figure that part out. Let me see if I can create a shadow. So I mean, it even picks up the reflection of the computer, but it's a very cool coin. This is the John Wick coin, in case you guys are wondering. But definitely check out picking up some silver your own. So there's several places you can buy it, but do your research on what place is trustworthy. Based on my research, that's why I picked the company I picked. There are other companies like that are out there. I mean, I don't want this to seem like a promotional video, so I'm not going to mention any more companies. But APMEX just happened to be one of my favorites, so I figured I'd give them credit where credit is due, because anytime a company takes the extra time to go the extra mile to take care of their customers, they deserve that. So APMEX, if you're watching this, thanks for doing such a great job, and I look forward to sharing more videos with you guys about silver, and also we'll probably do some videos on my dividend portfolio investing. That's one of the things that I do with the winnings from the lottery tickets. So in case you guys are wondering, now you know a little bit more about me. Eventually I'll reveal my face on the channel, but for now we're just going to leave it like it is. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys watching. If you're interested in silver stacking, subscribe. I'll start to do more informational videos on silver, gold, and some of the stock market stuff. And you know, I also know a lot about business. I own several companies, so maybe I can share some of that knowledge with you guys too as well. I'm really just looking to grow my YouTube channel, have a good audience, and just provide some informational videos and some entertainment videos. And I look forward to meeting all of you guys in the next video. So, till next time, happy investing, and comment below with a link, or like, you know, or maybe like even a picture or something. If you got a video of your silver, I'd love to check it out. So, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.